Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to convert video format MOV to MP4 in VLC Media Player. Friends, some of our cameras record videos in MOV format which is not supported by some devices. So it's better to convert your MOV format video in MP4 format by using free VLC software. So in my case, my MOV file is placed on desktop. Now I will convert this file to MP4 by using VLC software. So I will open VLC software. Now in VLC Media Player, you need to click on Media. Now here you need to click on Convert / Save. Now here you need to add your MOV file. So click on Add. Now in my case, my file is placed on desktop. So I will select my MOV file. After selecting file, click on open. Now after adding files, click on convert / save. Now here you need to select the profile. So click on this small arrow and from this list you need to select video H.264 plus MP3 bracket MP4. Now after selecting the profile, you need to give file name. So click on browse. Now I will give a name to my converted file. I am giving name video1. After giving name, click on save. Now we have provided the required informations. Now we need to click on start. Now it has started converting the file. Now my file is converted. Now here, as you can see, my MP4 file is placed on desktop and I will simply open it. Now as you can see, my file is converted from MOV format to MP4 by using VLC Media Player. So friends, like this you can very easily convert video format MOV to MP4 in VLC Media Player. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.